me and Tegan, oh, Bert, are playing Break Your Bones in Roblox. Yeah, Break Your Bones in Roblox.
Hey, what is this capybara man doing here?
I don't know, but we have to get the best angle to get more money, and that means we have to land on our head. Where are you going? I'm going to try and land on my head and on this rocks. Oh, hit a tree! Hit a tree!
Open up, where are you going?
Ow!
There's no higher. There's no bones.
Yeah, but we have to unlock stuff like level 2, and we have to get more money.
Yeah, the more bones you break, you unlock stuff.
Okay, where are you going? Let me follow you. To the right. Let me follow you. Oh, you're such a... Yeah, you're doing a great plan. Great plan.
Ja, dan moet je hem niet verkopen.
Where are you? Where are you? Wait.
Nou verkoop jy nou las.
Yes?
Draai eers.
Come.
Ja. Nee, maar net nou die dag van
Oh, Sonic? Sonic? Supersonic 769. That's weird.
R45.000.
Oh, you're doing such a great idea. This is perfect.
Yeah.
We can break so much bones. Epic, epic.
Oh, what is this going on?
I don't know, you did this. Oh, the end.
Company wat hy gevra het vir die trailer se goed. Dan gaan ek 'n foto van daai trailer van julle na hulle toe stuur en vra wat gaan hulle vra.
What?
I think we can go that far. Come on.
Okay.
Ooh, I got a concussion. I got a concussion. I got a concussion. I got a concussion. Look how much bones I break.
Hoekom?
68.
How much money do you have?
Ek het nog niks gehad.
21,000.
I have 36.
Ek het nog net ek dink ek het 400 rand
Oh, that was a... You have to land on these rocks. On these rocks.
How many bones did you break?
A lot. I couldn't show you now because it was...
I broke 100 bones.
You have to land on that rocks.
Ja, jy meer die 26ste.
That rocks.
Ja, want ek weet
No, I couldn't land on the rocks. Damn.
The rock is... I just broke 120 bones.
I broke 27. You said...
187.
Oh.
It's awesome here.
I broke 64 bones. You broke...
248.
Damn. Are you serious? I broke 10 bones. I broke 10 bones.
261. 280. Als ik nog voordeel hebben.
Okay.
1000 bounce bro.
Ow. 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 61 bones, bro. Are you serious? I would get so much bones broken if that tree wasn't there.
Emmy, answer. Hey. Hello. You.
Go to my menu. See if we can.
Change map. I think I want to
Change
change map.
Yeah, me too. 25k. I have chapter 2. I have 20. Can you buy? I can buy also this thing.
Okay.
Let's go to 3.
Yeah, that's what it is. I'm by number 3.
Me too. And 1, 2, 3.
Oh shit. Oh no. Oh.
Come on. Let's go. Woo!
Yeah. Oh, that was cool. Land on this mountain. Then go down, land on the other mountain.
I'm breaking so much bones. I'm not
Ik
even.
wil het zeggen, maar we gaan altijd
ja.
net in 14.
Hoe krijg je boeien?
Ja, zo aangaan zo. Zo, je weet dat het zo weg. Je ziet mijn mountain daar, onder.
Ja.
Hij laat eerst op bom en dan op je andere.
Oeh, ik land op die draai en dan op die. Laaste. Oh nee.
We zijn niet bij buiten. Dit is niet 26 mensen bij.
Nee, verder.
Wat? Dat is goed.
Hoeveel kost die 14?
Zeggen?
Nee, dat is niet lekker. 1, 2.
Oh.
Epic. I just found the most incredible hack.